Hi guys, postman's bin. Just the one package. Some people will get the wrong impression when I tell them what's in here. It does actually say brushless speed controller. So they may think I'm about to change all my model cars to brushless motors. But I'm sorry, that's not what this is about. I bought some brushless motors for aeroplanes, outrunners they are, quite a long time ago. I was watching somebody's video and they said that they were going cheap on AliExpress or something like that, or Banggood I think it was. So I went online and bought them just on spec. I didn't actually need them at all. But I don't think I actually bought any brushless controllers at the same time. So when I spotted these ones going cheap, I ordered them. That actually says $6.84, but I don't remember how much they were. What I do now on my listings for these Postbag things is I don't actually give you the direct link. I don't want to be in a position where people think I'm being funded or supported by or recommending any particular seller on eBay or anything. I just give you the title, brushless speed controller, and whatever it was that I looked up, but I don't give you the direct link. So you can go and search for yourself and find them at whatever price you can find them at. 30A. Okay. Don't think we'll find any more information in there. No, just standard ESCs. I assume these only go forwards. That's all you do with aeroplanes. If I was going to do boats or cars, then I'd want ones that would do reverse for me, if that's possible. But yeah, these are just for aeroplane motors. So that's it. Not terribly exciting, but Grandad's got a couple of brushless ESCs. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.